Uh-huh.
Yeah, no, see it.
Let's see how good I can zoom in.
You see it?
Look at that. That is pretty far away from me. That's gonna be me in a few minutes. Oh boy. Here we go. It's time to go. It's all downhill from here.
Woo!
I'm super excited. Let's go.
Whoa! What's up, my friend? What's your name?
Troy.
Troy, welcome to skydiving land. Looks like you have a harness, and what are we doing?
Oh, going on my very first skydive.
Yeah, with this guy you just met like 30 seconds ago.
Yeah.
Do you trust him?
Yep.
Yeah? Did you understand all the instructions?
Yes, I did.
Ready to go?
I'm ready.
All
Let's
right.
go.
Let's do it. Have a great skydive.
All right.
Woo!
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
just wanted someone who would know.
Yeah, Troy!
Awesome. That was amazing.
Well done, my friend.
Awesome.
Let's get up together. Would you do it again?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I would go again right now.
All right, well,
That was so awesome.
thank you so much for choosing skydiving land.
Oh.
Look over here. Yeah, woo!
Holy cow, was that awesome? Or was that awesome? Like, holy crap, guys. Like, I can't believe that. Like, oh man, that was so amazing. Like, I thought, seriously, when I was gonna drop, that it was gonna feel like being on, like, the drop tower on International Drive or at Busch Gardens or one of those drop towers, but no, like, those give you that feeling in your stomach, like your stomach's still up there, but as soon as you fall out of the plane, it's like you just became the weight of a feather and you just fall. And like, it's amazing. So amazing. It was a little hard to breathe at some point in time, and unfortunately my hair did get into my goggles and was bringing the wind in, so I got a little windy in my eyes, but like, wow. It is definitely something that you have to do. If you are looking to do it and you're scared, wondering, like, don't be. Go. Definitely go. It was worth it. I mean, it's just, it is. I'm going to be talking about this for weeks. Like, I've been grinning from ear to ear since we've landed, and that's why I had to wait till I got home. I was just too excited to sit down and make a video and explain everything. But so amazing. So great. It was in DeLand. It's $220 a person. I'll put a link to their page down at the bottom in the description so that if you want to go, go. I mean, it was amazing. We weren't there that long, maybe 3 hours tops, maybe 4, but I don't think it was 4. I only think it was 3. So, and it was quick. We were up there, and they made the video. I paid extra so that the guy could jump with the camera, and we could get all the GoPro footage, because apparently you have to jump over 200 times by yourself before you can even carry a GoPro, which means you got to jump 10 times, tandem jump, and then take the class, and it's a lot of money, but I'm hooked. I'm gonna go again for sure. So if anybody wants to go, let me know, and we'll make it happen. But I'm excited. Going to do an Iron Gwazi tomorrow, but I'm just afraid that that'll be like one of the Sesame Street rides now compared to that. But if you like what you see and you like all my stuff that I do, and we're gonna do more crazy adventures like this one, and I got a lot of stuff planned this year, so stay tuned, and it's gonna be amazing, just like that was the most amazing thing I've ever done in my life. That was so great. Oh man. But so if you like what I do, remember to like and subscribe, and hit that bell notification down there so you know when I go on more crazy adventures like today's. And till then, later days, and I'll see you on Iron Gwazi next.